Chery's premium sub-brand, the Fulwin series, maintains relatively steady sales growth by focusing on new energy vehicles and the global market. With the continued expansion of the Fengyun model range and the refinement of its product lineup, the Fulwin series recently introduced a new boxy SUV, the X3L. This new model, an extended-range SUV and the second model in the family, was officially unveiled recently. The Fulwin X3L, a compact SUV, measures 4545, 4503, x 1950 by 1815, 1785 mm and has a 2,783 mm wheelbase. Its boxy design gives it a robust and powerful appearance. The front features an inverted L-shaped light cluster and an illuminated Chery logo. The raised hood profile and ribs, combined with the extended smoked front bumper, further enhance the vehicle's overall robustness. The smoked black finish on the pillars and roof, combined with the black trim on the body skirts and fenders, creates a layered color scheme. The flared fenders and concave profiles enhance the vehicle's sense of power. The rear also features some new features: a side opening, electrically operated trunk lid with an integrated schoolbag storage compartment and vertical smoked taillights. The vehicle maintains its classic off-road design while also moving away from the styling cues of new energy vehicles. When the door opens, it features a relatively heavy table structure, and the two-tone fabric combination adds to the sense of layering. The built-in full LCD instrument cluster and 15.6-inch floating central control display create a digital interactive interface. The Qualcomm 8155 chip is embedded within the onboard computer to ensure the system's smooth operation. In this static test, I particularly appreciated the voice control function. When I issued a compound command like "open the sunroof and play music," the system synchronously executed it in 1.2 seconds. It's worth noting that the interior is predominantly covered in soft leather fabrics, with a combination of matte metal trim accents in the detail areas. However, the proportion of hard plastic in the door panels is relatively high, which somewhat impacts the overall sense of luxury. The X3L model is expected to be equipped with the Falcon 500 intelligent driving system. This combination of binocular cameras, a 5mm wave radar, and 12 ultrasonic radars provides the vehicle with L2+ support functions. In addition to high-speed NOA navigation and urban NCA navigation support, the new vehicle will also support cross-level memory parking. The 540-degree chassis system allows users to clearly view surrounding road conditions from the central control display, which is particularly useful on narrow roads. Lifting the hood reveals a 1.5T range extender with 115 kilowatts of power and Miller cycle technology. The drivetrain consists of a single motor or dual front/rear motors. The battery pack offers two options: 20.638 kilowatt-hours per 33.679 kilowatt-hours, equivalent to 3 pure electric ranges of 90 km/145 km/150 km. The total range on a full tank and a full charge exceeds 1,000 kilometers. The vehicle features Land Rover's proprietary H-arm rear suspension, which utilizes hollow cast aluminum. Compared to a traditional multi-link suspension, this not only reduces overall weight but also optimizes unsprung mass. Combined with the suspension cushions, it precisely absorbs road vibrations. It's worth noting that the vehicle boasts 225 mm of ground clearance and provides strong handling even in complex off-road conditions. This provides insight into Chery's technological heritage. The vehicle features chassis technology borrowed from Land Rover, combined with an extended-range powertrain that eliminates range anxiety and balances off-road performance to ensure a comfortable driving experience in all road conditions. The vehicle's boxy exterior and enhanced interior features make it both elegant and impressive. If this new model ultimately reaches a price between 120,000 and 160,000 yuan, it could spark a new wave of boxy new energy vehicles.